Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Finally, Samsung is doing this. The new Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra could solve one of the biggest battery pain points. According to the latest available data, the Galaxy S26 Ultra could get a long-overdue charging speed upgrade. Let's dive into the fresh upgrades and launch details. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. The most futuristic Galaxy S26 series lineup seems quite exciting. It is said to include the thinnest model, the Galaxy S26 Edge, which will likely be the successor to the Galaxy S25 Plus. After information about that phone's battery was revealed earlier today, it is being reported that the new Samsung S26 Ultra will also bring a battery-related upgrade. As per a leak from a very reliable tech insider, the Universe Ice on X claimed that the Galaxy S26 Ultra could finally get more than 45 watts fast battery charging speed, high enough to claim that it would be the fastest charging speed in Samsung's history. Tech enthusiasts have pleaded with Samsung to bring bigger batteries and faster charging speeds to Galaxy phones. And it looks like the company has finally decided to listen to them. Ice Universe claims that the Galaxy S26 Ultra is 100% confirmed to feature a faster charging speed than its predecessor. While the actual charging speed wasn't revealed, the tipster said it will be faster than 45 watts, which has been used since the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Analysts suggest that Samsung may introduce 65 watts fast charging to its phones, starting with the Galaxy S26 Ultra. The Galaxy S25 Ultra's 45 watts fast charging can charge its 5000 mAh battery from 0-100% in 60 minutes. So, it is likely that 65 watts fast charging would be able to fully top up the Galaxy S26 Ultra's 5000 mAh or even higher capacity battery will be charged within 45 minutes. While it looks like the South Korean giant firm will continue using the USB PD PPS fast charging standard for its future flagship phones, as USB PD is a royalty-free industry standard, and it is also used by other brands, including Apple and Google. In addition, it is reported that the new variant will employ a next-generation display technology, known as Color-on-Emitter OLED, (CoE-OLED). The new Galaxy S26 may get the Exynos 2600 chipset. Samsung LSI announces new chips and promises good results, while the Galaxy S26 Ultra will get Qualcomm's most updated Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 chipset, with higher memory of up to 16 GB of RAM. It is expected that the new Galaxy S26 lineup will officially launch early next year. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.